Hello everyone, my name is Jakub Kowalski and in behalf of all the organizers, I would like to present the results of the Strategy Card Game AI competition COG 22 edition. The competition is based on the game Legends of Code and Magic, which is relatively simple collectible card game developed especially for AI research. In particular, all card effects are deterministic, so non-determinism is introduced only by the ordering of cards and an unknown opponent deck. More info about the game on its webpage. Also note that thanks to the coding game platform, it is possible to play the game online using about 30 programming languages without the need of downloading and installing any software. Previous editions of this competition were using the arena mode, where before each game, both players create their decks secretly from the symmetrical yet limited choice, picking each time one card out of the three random ones. The set of possible cards is known and consists of 160 predefined cards. This year, however, we introduce new version of the game featuring three main changes. First is that the players can choose their decks more freely, picking 30 cards from all the possible cards, which is often called in collectible card games as a constructed mode. Second is that the set of possible cards is procedurally generated for each game, so hard-coding best choices is not possible. Last but not least is introduction of a new card keyword, providing area of effect. This was one of the limitations of the previous game edition, as every card played could only have one target it influenced. For the sake of completeness, I would like to say a few words about the previous editions. We started in 2018 as an official coding game contest for a few thousand participants. Then, an updated version of the game was used as an academic competition co-located with IEEE COG and CEC. In the meantime, authors of one of the agents created publicly available OpenAI Gym environment for law. And this year, for COG 22, we have 6 new entries. ByteRL is an agent relying for both phases on model learned via self-play and deep reinforcement learning. The framework is deliberately kept secret, but we got word for a soon reveal. Inspire AI agent stands on the shoulder of a giant and makes use of a card scoring method of COG, many-year champion of previous competitions. Inspire AI combines self-playing and proximal policy optimization. The next one is Mugen Slayer Attack on Durala Ball v3, which is one of the two agents not based on neural networks, but rather uses some type of heuristic rule-based AI. NetEase OPD is, as its name provides, created by the members of NetEase Game OPD. It is another agent based on PPO and self-play. Next, we have USTC Go Go Go, two agents created by students from the University of Science and Technological of China. In preliminary tests, we choose better version of the two, which is using hyperparameters only for selection phase, but it is playing based on RL model. Finally, we have Zillow agent, which is the only one not written in Python, and second not using neural nets. So, ladies and gentlemen, time to finally reveal this year's winners. And the winner is ByteRL, with an outstanding nearly 85% win rate and a large 10% advantage over the second place, which belongs to the NetEase OPD. The second runner-up is the Inspire AI agent. More data regarding competition results will be soon available at our GitHub. Congratulations! May you proudly wear your horns, I mean crown. Here is the chart, how the results stabilized during the competition's time. As you can see, each agent played 12,000 games with each opponent, and the results seem to be pretty stable. Especially, there is a clear difference between the first three places. Also, we are very fond of the fact that this year all players clearly beat our baseline, which achieved marginally result of around 1% win rate. The authors of ByteRL also sent us their agent for LOCM 1.2 and asked us, can we test it unofficially in competition-like scenario against last year's agents? So we did, and as you can see, their agents surely won with huge advantage. So congratulations again, and we wait for an interesting publication and a reveal of the RL method. As a summary, once again congratulations to the double winners of the competitions, and also to the runner-ups, and huge thanks to everyone who submitted an agent. Hopefully, see you next year. There is a chance we will prepare some big reveal, but I do not want to spoil things yet too much. I wish you a good conference. Bye bye.